that's actually also the reason why if you went through webinarcloser.com/deal, which is no longer available, the offer ended at the 24th of May. People ask me why I don't collect leads at the beginning. To explain you what it was is if you went to webinarcloser.com/deal, you immediately saw a 14-minute presentation I made to explain the whole workflow about what you get if you buy an agency licensee. Now, I just want to work with people who are absolutely sure they want to have it. It's a whole different level. I'm a sales dude. I don't want to talk with 100 people a day. I don't want to collect 1,000 leads a month. We talk about, I don't know, 1 or 2 leads per day, which buy a 10, 20, 5, 30, $50,000 product. And what happened if I would make an opt-in page, even if I say, hey, please just opt in, but make sure you have $5,000 because that's the cost of the product. Some will probably opt in just to have a look what the product is all about and why it's $5,000. And if I skip that, or if I flip that step to actually direct people to the presentation, which is again 40 minutes, and people watch that and then they apply, the chances are they want to buy it is up to 90-95%. And those are people I want to have.